Today on Forking Good, we're whipping up some sheet pan nachos. That means all the goodness of nachos in a bowl without all those dry, cheeseless chips at the bottom of the stack. Every single one of these chips is going to be loaded down with toppings. These nachos are something you can whip up quickly before a big game or before a movie night at home. Here's what you'll need. Tortilla chips as a base. Use your favorite kind. You'll need some ground beef. Ground pork or turkey works great also. We're also going to keep things simple by using some canned nacho cheese sauce. Add any salsa of your choice. This stuff was on sale, so it made the cut. Start by cooking and browning the ground beef. Season with your favorite taco seasoning. And when it's cooked, I'm going to add in a can of refried beans to the meat. Next, line a sheet pan with some foil and put down a layer of tortilla chips. A spoonful of our beef and bean mix is going to go onto each chip. Following the beef and beans, spoonfuls of that nacho cheese sauce go on next. We want some on every single chip. Next, spoon on some salsa. Each chip gets a little bit. Now this looks good enough to eat already, but we're going to take it up one more notch with a little shredded cheese on top. Because let's be honest, who doesn't like a little extra cheese? Lastly, we're going to top each nacho with a black olive. You can use jalapenos also, or skip this step altogether. Finally, our sheet pan is going into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes just to get everything nice and hot and get that cheese melted. Here's our tray out of the oven now. I made the mistake of buying the reduced fat shredded cheese for this effort, and it just doesn't melt up as well as the full flavored stuff. But these things are still delicious, and you should definitely give them a try. Tell us how you make your nachos in the comments, and if you like what you saw here, please subscribe. We'll see you again on the next Forking Good.